Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a text box transparent or how to add new transparent text box. Open your Google Sheet. Now click on this text box and click this three dot option. I will make this text box transparent now. Now select this edit option. Okay. Now click on this text box and select, and here you will find this background option and simply select here transparent and see this. Also select this border option. Now select transparent and now select save and close and see this, a transparent text box already created. And also I'll add new transparent text box. Select insert option. Now select drawing option and here you will find this text box icon. Click here and draw a text box, and already this text box makes transparent. And now click this border color option and select transparent. Now type your text here or paste your text. Yeah, this is now. So we select save and close. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.